Hi, Ian Steller here. Welcome to our channel. Are you an ambitious entrepreneur, digital marketer, or online creator? Or even a complete beginner? Do you find yourself struggling with limited resources and insufficient tech tools to grow your business? You're not alone, and we have the perfect solutions for you. Being an entrepreneur can be a real challenge between marketing, managing operations, and keeping up with business trends. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. These challenges can lead to stagnation or worse, failure of your business. Picture this. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners' lack of access to business tools puts them at an unfair disadvantage against larger companies. As an entrepreneur or small business owner, winning can be challenging. But with advanced business tools like email marketing, you can work smarter, not harder. In today's competitive market, utilizing advanced business tools is essential to staying ahead. So what are you waiting for? Take action now. Please visit our website at businessboosthub.com. Subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.